talking about future value. So in the previous lessons we have dealt with grade 11 financial mathematics, and today we're starting with grade 12 finances, and the first thing that you will know is called a future value. So before we define this, so a future value account is an account that one will open in order to save for money. You will invest in a savings account, in an account, so that the money can grow and then you will take it in the future. So there are conditions or where it applies. So where is it used? This is very important, because when they give you a statement, you must know when it is used. When do we apply the future value calculations? So the first one will be savings account. So we know the savings account, those accounts which we have. So the savings account is also an example of a future value, because when you put money in a savings account, you are saving money. Number two will be for something called a sinking fund. So this is called a sinking fund. So we use future value on savings account, on sinking fund, as well as investments. So these are places where you are going to use the future value. So the formula for future value says that F, you can say F or FV. So F is equal to X. You open the square bracket and it's 1 plus the interest rate to the power of n minus 1 everything divided by I. So F will be our future value. The word future tells us of the to come. So future value will be the amount that you will have. Amount that you will have. And X stands for the monthly payments. So note that with future value, the payments are the same. So if I'm investing in an account and I'm investing 500 every month, it must be consistent. And I will be the interest rate. We use the interest rate the very same way we have done in the previous lessons. So make sure you check the previous lessons to know how to use interest rates. So it can be compounded differently. And then N is not the number of years, but this one stands for the number of payments. So in the past, we've been talking about compounding period. So now is the number of payments that will be made. So I can just call them number of payment made. So this is how the formula is. So future value is when we are investing in a certain account and we expect the money that we are saving each and every month to grow to a certain amount. Unlike compound growth, whereby we only make a once-off investment and then it grows, here we'll consistently be adding money to the account so that it can grow. So future value is used on sinking fund, on savings account, as well as investment. This was an introductory lesson, and in the next lesson we'll talk about sinking fund as well as how to apply the future value. Thank you for watching.